Hey guys, it's Kamora. Today I wanted to show you my slime. So let's get out the container. Before I open this and tell you about this, um Monday through Saturday I'm going to be doing singing, and Sundays I'm doing reacting and remaking. So stay up for that. Now let's open it. So this slime is really stretchy. It's really stretchy. It's really long. As you see, let me get you a close look. Okay, that's how long it is. Really long. I'm gonna split it up so you can see. So basically, it's super long. It can fit on my neck. Really long. Okay. So I'm back, and I got the slime, and I took another piece, and I'm going to put another layer on top. Now this slime is basically something I play with. I play with it like Play-Doh. I built stuff with it, as you can see. Slime right there. I covered it up with this one, but I like the colors in the slime. It's kind of whitish in the slime, but that don't matter. So yeah, I can actually add decorations and stuff. Look at this. I had a nose, eyes, and yeah. So I don't know how to make a mouth out of slime, but this is all I did. I just did the eyes and the nose. I've been doing fun things. Yeah, that's all I did. I don't know how to draw a right mouth, so I'm sorry. That mouth is not lit, but still like that. But this is my slime. It's really stretchy. Stretchy. And if you like stretch it too hard like this, it will break, but it's not broke. Guys, it's like a tongue. It's like a tongue, like it's not in my mouth though, because that would be disgusting. What if I wrote something like that? Not put my tongue on that. That's disgusting. I'm not doing that ever in my life. But my tongue didn't get on it. Okay, so I'm back. Back to us. Back to me. Back to me. Back to us. Okay. Like, is this thing longer than my phone? Let's find out. Hold up. Wait. Gotta add more pieces because cheating. Wanna cheat now? This thing might be longer than my phone. I bet you this thing is longer than my phone. I'ma bet. Hold on, let me fix it. So I have to fix the one. Okay. There's no way this thing's long enough, huh? No way. Guys, this thing is not even longer than my phone. Hold on, let me not cheat. Dude, look guys. The phone and the worm. Get that. Get that as a no. Let me stretch it out some more. Screenshot. I can prank my mom and be like, oh, this a worm. And stay tuned for that. To make the snake, or a worm, I'm gonna do pranking her. It might look like this, the face. to look like a real snake. It will. It will. But that's gonna make a snake. Look, do you see how it just moved? It looked like an actual snake. Hi, Snakey. Hi. Come on, little snake. Come on. Guys, you wanna pet him? Here. Dude, this look like an actual snake. I wish like an actual snake, but I don't have one around here. Well, I do, but I don't see one. Ah, it just fell out of my hand. That's the snake. Hey, you hungry? You hungry? I will feed a snake. I don't know. Time to put you back in your little box. Okay. Put you in mine. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, like this video, and I will be giving away slime if I make enough for you guys. And I'm gonna be on my phone on on YouTube, scrolling down my comments, and I'm closing my eyes like this, and it's scrolling, and my finger's gonna be on that person. I read it and what they say, and ouch! I just hit my leg. That person will get a shadow and get a free slime. Or my mom and me wants to give out fidget spinners. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be in another video. Love you guys.